Ever heard the phrase beauty begins on the inside? It is somewhat true, as what you eat reflects on your skin almost immediately. And if you are not eating right, it will show on your skin. For someone who is looking for ways to have glowing, radiant skin, they should probably start with what they are eating. Today's video will discuss, treat your skin to the goodness of almonds for a radiant look. Benefits of almonds for skin. 1. Improves skin texture. Improves the texture of the skin by preventing it from getting damaged. Almonds are jam-packed with antioxidant vitamin E, which will help one to prevent cells from getting damaged, owing to the free radicals, seen due to pollution, UV rays from the sun, cigarette smoke, and other environmental factors. So, eating almonds will help you with radiant skin. 2. Prevents skin dryness. Almond contains linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid, that helps the skin from drying out. Almonds will moisturize the skin, and you will be able to have soft and supple skin. 3. Reduce wrinkles. Almonds contain vitamin E, and polyphenols, which help improve facial wrinkles, and skin tone. Hence, you will be able to amplify your beauty. 4. Provides nourishment to the skin. Almonds are rich in antioxidants, and vitamins, which nourish the skin. They are a good exfoliator, and can help you to rid of impurities in the skin. Almonds can help one overcome various skin woes. 5. Slows down aging. Did you know almonds slow down the signs of aging? Almonds contain antioxidants, that can help you to get a youthful appearance. 6. Helps deal with acne and blackheads. Are you embarrassed and annoyed due to acne, whiteheads, or blackheads? Using almond oil can do the trick here. It will help you manage acne scars, whiteheads, and blackheads. Thus, you will have clear skin. 7. Treats freckles, age spots. Almonds can allow you to treat freckles and age spots. Applying a face pack containing almond powder can help you to dazzle like a diva. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in the comment section below.